No.
Wow.
No.
And just drop it into my hand. Wow.
Oh my god, that one was louder than the other one, right? Oh my god.
Very nice. Okay, so I'm going to start by adjusting right in this mid back, okay?
Okay.
Go ahead, nice deep breath in for me. And all the way out. Perfect.
Oh my god.
How did that feel?
That felt
You can see your back almost just flatten out here.
Really?
Which is great. So I'm going to lock you in here, okay?
Okay.
Now you're going to feel a nice stretch towards me, okay? We're just stretching out this back here. Go ahead and take a nice deep breath in. And let it all out. And give me one more time. And just let it all out. Good.
Oh crap! Oh my god! That I literally felt that all through my body.
Nice. Felt good?
Yes.
Awesome. Yeah, you're super sore on this right side. Yeah. You see this right hip is really elevated too. Go ahead, nice deep breath in for me. All the way out. Just relax it. Very good. My goodness. One more time. All the way out. Perfect. Go ahead, nice deep breath in. All the way out. Just relax it. All the way out.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
And just drop the head.
Oh my god!
All the way out. Breathe out. Perfect. Did you feel that?
Yeah.
Was that cool?
Yeah.
Awesome, awesome. Okay, let's have you.
hurt either.
It didn't hurt?
No.
Good, good. And I'm going to hold you here. Just like that. And just relax.
My phone.
Yeah. Very good. Did you feel that?
Yeah.
Did you like that?
Yeah.
Did it hurt?
No.
Awesome, awesome. Okay, let's go to the other side. All right. Okay, ready to go? Ready?
Wait.
Very good.
That's bigger.
That's a big one, yeah. Did you like that?
Yeah.
Awesome. So Sabrina has a rib out right here. So where the rib head meets the mid-back, that joint is not moving very good. And what it'll do is create some scar tissue, so we're going to adjust that area right there, okay? Go ahead, nice deep breath in. And all the way out, just relax it. Perfect. How'd that feel?
That was good.
Get another one here, deep breath in. All the way out. Perfect. Nice deep breath in. All the way out. Wow.
Wow.
How'd that one feel?
Good.
That was a good one. Go ahead, nice deep breath in. All the way out. Very nice. How'd that feel?
Good.
So go ahead and open for me. Close. Open up. And close. Go ahead, open. Close. Close. Go ahead.
Oh.
Very nice. Okay, just open the mouth slightly. Just let the head drop and open the jaw slightly. Perfect. So I'm going to hold you here. My legs go on top of yours, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Go ahead, nice deep breath in. All the way out. Very nice. How'd that feel? Awesome. breath in, all the way out. Very nice. So we're going to be adjusting Sabrina's ear here. She has a nice meaty part of the ear that I could grab, so that really helps out. I'll just grab my contact here. Just relax it, okay? Mm-hmm. Relax the head. Perfect. Deep breath in, all the way out.
I felt that all the way over here.
Deep breath in, all the way out. Very nice. I'm going to have you just do a little sit up towards me. And I'm going to come down with you. Deep breath in for me, all the way out. Very good. And now all the way back and all the way out. Very nice. Go ahead, nice deep breath in, all the way out. Very good. Yeah. Very nice. And all the way out. Just relax it.
Oh my God! I feel so free right now. That was amazing.
How did that feel?
It feels good. Feels good. Relieved, free. It's amazing.
Awesome.
Wow.